Hey guys, just wanted to show you this air compressor I got here. It's a dental air compressor, so it runs oil less, so there's no oil. And it's got 3 motors. I believe these are 750 watts apiece, and each motor has 2 cylinders running off one cylinder off each end. So one cylinder goes up and down here, and one goes up and down here. So there's 1, 2, 3. So it's 6-cylinder compressor. And I picked this up. It doesn't seem to be working on the last motor here, the third one. So I took it apart and I found that the reed valve on the intake side, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Probably not, but down inside that hole there, you can see it right there on the edge, there's a bit of debris right there. So it's causing that little reed valve, which is supposed to flutter up and down in that gap as that piston moves up and down, to open and close to let in and let out air. But it's stuck in the open position because there's a little tiny piece of right there, little tiny piece of metal caught in there, some debris. And what I'm going to do is take this little block off, clean out that little piece of scrap that's under there, put this thing back together, and see if it charges properly. This is the other reed valve assembly for the other side. It's hard to tell, but it doesn't look like there's anything in that one there. So I'm gonna that one looks okay. There's nothing in there, but definitely, if you look at this one, you can see that there's a little tiny piece of debris in there. So I can clean that out and put this all back together, fire it up, and hopefully it makes pressure on all three motors, all 6 pistons, and then we can sell this guy. So thanks for watching.